Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the minor healing potion in Windrose. So first of all, you'll need to have a alchemy table, which can be crafted from 2 clay pots and 5 wood. Also, to unlock the alchemy table, you'll need to find a misty orchid, which is this flower, can be found in the coastal jungle biome, which is the beginning biome. Once you've crafted the alchemy table, you want to go ahead and craft the clay bottle. Then, when you have the misty orchid and clay bottle, you can create an alchemical base. And from the alchemical base, you can craft the minor healing potion, which is going to instantly restore 35% of your health. This is especially useful if you don't want to use bandages and you need to heal yourself instantly in combat. And this is pretty much all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.